Number 1 says solve. 45 divided by 9, or how many times 9 goes into 45, is 5. For 450 divided by 9, I'm going to ignore this 0 for a minute. 45 divided by 9 is 5, and then we just need to add the 0 back. So it's 50. 4,500 divided by 9, again, I'm going to ignore 2 zeros. 45 divided by 9 is 5, and then we need to add those 2 zeros back. So the answer is 500. 32 divided by 8, or how many times 8 goes into 32, is 4. 320 divided by 8, again, ignore the 0. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Add that 0 back, 40. 3,200 divided by 8, again, ignore 2 zeros. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Add those 2 zeros back. The answer is 400. Number 2 says find the volume of the prism. Use the formula volume equals the area of the base times height. So if we look here, the area of the base is 50 times the height is 3. 0 times 3 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. So 50 times 3 equals 150 inches cubed. Number 3 says true or false. In the number 23,960, the digit 3 is worth 3,000. So if we look here, the 3 is in the thousands place, so it is worth 3,000, so that one would be true. The 9 is worth 90. The 9 is in the hundreds place, which means it's worth 900, so that's false. The 2 is worth 20,000. Since the 2 is in the 10,000s place, it is worth 20,000, so that one is true. And the last one, the 1 is worth 100. So if you look at the 1, it's in the tens place, so it's worth 10, not 100. So that is false. Number 4 says fill in the missing digits. For the first one, 6 times 2 is 12. We wrote our 2, carry our 1. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 1 is 49. The 4 is already up there. And 2 times 6 is 12 plus 4 is 16. The next one, 386 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Put your 0, carry your 3, which is already there. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 3 is 43. Carry the 4. The 3 is there. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 4 is 19. And the last one says, explain how you solved problem 1E. So by looking at 1E, I know that 32 divided by 8 is 4. And since 320 is 10 times more than 32, you can multiply 4 by 10 to get 40. Or if it works better for you to explain how you ignore the zeros and put them back, that is also fine. Whatever is easier for you. Make sure to explain it in number 5 in your math journal.